morning. It's morning here in Kampala, Uganda. It's election day. I'm in my bed. I'm not going to vote. We did not work today, and also tomorrow we're not going to work. Today they are voting president. So some people will be like, why didn't you vote? Honestly, last time I voted, it was my first time to vote. What happened? So why would I waste my time to go do the same thing? Yet we know what's gonna happen. Whatever happens, happens. If it will be, it will be. I'm just at home. I'm going to clean. So today is going to be a day with me. Spend a day with me. I'm going to clean. I've been wanting to wash my duvet. So I'm going to wash my duvet and take it to the dry cleaner. But last time I did, they did not really clean it well. What they did, I could even do better. I can do it myself. It's not that really big and it's not so heavy. I also have some clothes that I want to wash. I'm hungry. I'm just going to sort some things out. Then I'm going to prepare breakfast. After breakfast, then I'm gonna start washing. The guys, you're gonna enjoy this vlog, and if you're new here, I am Brenda. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscription button, turn the bell on, and be notified whenever I upload another video. so much for watching from the start until this minute. I appreciate a lot. I have my food. I've tasted it, so good. Yeah, the way I love it, that's how it's tasty. I wish you can taste. Thank you so much. Let me know, guys, in the comment sections if you ever tasted such a meal, and let me know where you're watching it from, and how do you call this kind of meal in your country or in your language. In Uganda we call it katogo. It's a mixture of matoke. Matoke is a staple food, like it's green banana, but it's a special green banana, because if I say green banana, you might think of the green banana which turns into yellow banana, but no, this is a special green banana in East Africa, mostly in Uganda. So it's our staple food here in Uganda. We love it so much. So I mixed it with peanut paste, which is groundnuts pasted. This is it. And I added, the way you saw me preparing it, I added onion. So it depends on how you want to prepare it, and all the ingredients you wish to add. I can add tomatoes, I did not add. I just want it like this. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, let me know what you think about this video let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn the bell on and be notified whenever I upload another video. Until we meet again, ciao ciao.